What's up, guys? Gonna be reviewing today the Mirka Handy Kit. Just purchased this recently, just came in the mail just the other day, and I figured I'd give it a try. This is just a handheld sanding block, and it's a dustless extractor, but doesn't require any electric. It's just a handheld sanding block. So unboxing this, you've got the sanding block itself with the vacuum attachment, and then as you can see, the whole concept of this is the holes inside this Velcro pad. The dust goes through the sanding pad mesh, and so the pads stick right on there, and it's basically a mesh, and the dust just goes right through the mesh into the vacuum system. And so it comes with this long hose here, which is 20 millimeters by 4 millimeters or 4 meters, and it's a pretty long hose. I haven't yet tested it to see whether or not it fits to a standard vacuum system, but this definitely is designed to connect to the Mirka vacuum system itself. So you've got the one end here that just pops on right through here. Let's see. At one end that pops on right through here. Just gotta kind of squeeze that in. All right. Not sure why there's a little hole here that adjusts the suction flow as well. So if you close that port there, that'll give you full suction as you're sanding. And then the other part of this obviously attaches to the Mirka vacuum system. But I'm going to see if this actually works with a regular vacuum, say a Rigid or DeWalt or whatever, here in a minute. These are the sanding pads. It does come with a variety of different pads of different grits. So you've got 180, a few 120s, yeah, two 80s and 3 120s. So definitely some rough paper that you're going to be working with there. But I decided to get a separate pack of 220. Because most of my work requires 220 anyway. We're doing a lot of woodwork and need that finer sandpaper for in between coats of finishing and so forth. But this is definitely good for, some rough, getting the hairs and fibers off of certain rough woods to prep for, the next stages. But as you can see, the mesh is, see-through, so that is what's going to help to extract that dust right through here. So that sticks right on there. Nice and tight. And then, just go about sanding the surface. Alright, so I got my standard vacuum here at DeWalt, and it seems like this thing is going to fit perfectly right in here. So just a nice, tight, snug fit. This actually fits in some cases better. It doesn't have that little clip that you normally have for the hoses that locks in here so it doesn't pull out. But I tell you what, this is pretty tight. If you wanted to put some duct tape around this or something so it doesn't fall out, but it seems pretty good. And yeah, let's test this thing out and see how well it sucks up the vacuum, or sucks up the dust rather. Look at that, no dust at all. No dust on here as well. So. Little bit of dust there, but very minimal. Alright, so that's my take on the Mirka sanding block. Give it a try. Plan to be using this on a lot of different projects, and see how well it performs. The sanding pads seem to be of good quality and last for quite a while, so we'll see how this works out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.